So today my Big Bang album arrived. It's the Mate Series D, the big D. Well, I wanted to buy both versions, the black and the white version, the big and the small version, how you wanted to call. But lately it was just not there, so I just bought the big D version, the black version. Yes, let's open it. Well, so yeah, I've got the poster. I will show you after we unboxed the album. There's some photo cards too. Scenery. No. GD. This is a cool card. Top. Sorry, this isn't Scenery, this is Taeyang. I'm sorry, this is Scenery. Sorry. Okay, so there it is. I'm very excited. Yes, so there's the question how to open it. So, oh god, so that's difficult. So, yeah, here we go. This is the front, the back, and there's the track list, a view. Let's Not Fall in Love, kind of. Bang Bang Bang, Loser, Baby, We Like to Party, and the instrumental version. Yes, let's open it. Ooh, hoo, hoo. There's Henry, photo card. Very cool. I like it. Very cool. Okay, so this is the CD. Blue. Big Bang Mate Series D. Yes, so here's nothing, just white. Okay, let's go on with the photo card. Here's the puzzle card. I've got part of Taeyang. Yes. Okay, so let's start with the photo book. CD. I love him, he's looking so good. Adorable, very cool. So the track list, sorry, the lyrics. I'm just confused, I'm so exciting. Okay. So that's better. Sober. Taeyang. Daesung. I'm so excited. Singly? Oh, it's the photo from the photo card. Oh. Not kind of. It's a little bit the same, but the same outfit, the same shot. Yes. Again, GD. With a pink suit. Very cool. Loser. Oh, it's so cool. Love it. Cool picture of Taeyang. I love Big Bang, so it's so cool to have this album. waited for it. Now it's here with the poster. I hope the poster will be cool. I'm not sure if there are all 5 members or just 1 member. I don't know, so we will look at it later. Bye bye. They're all wearing pink sweatshirt and suits and pink. Is that in? This is my favorite song. We like to party and of course sober. No, I think Bang Bang Bang. Bang 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 and We Like to Party is my favorite songs. Like them very much. Group shots. Pink suit, pink hair, pink pullover. Yes, here are the credits. That was the last page actually. And that was fast. Okay. The last, the back. That's it. So that's a not very big album, but it's very cool. Okay, pink. So, and the puzzle card. So, and of course the photo card. Very cool. I've got scenery, as I said. Very cool, very nice. Okay, these two. Let's put it here in. So, okay. That's it. I say thank you for watching. And now I will show you the poster. Bye! I'm in love, 눈에 come get the shots, baby. How you said, 정의 head white